Relations between the United States and Pakistan have been going downhill ever since Navy SEALs flew in without permission to get Osama bin Laden. Now Pakistan has reportedly arrested several informants who helped the CIA find him. David Martin reports that was the talk of Capitol Hill today.
How low have relations with Pakistan gone since the raid on bin Laden's compound? The deputy director of the CIA told a closed-door hearing on Capitol Hill it's a 3 on a scale of 10. According to Republican Senator Lindsey Graham, relations are close to the breaking point.
We're at a crossroads with Pakistan. We're on a collision course with Pakistan.
While the U.S. wants Pakistan to go after the support network which allowed bin Laden to hide in plain sight, Pakistan instead has arrested and interrogated 5 people suspected of helping the CIA pull off the raid. It's all part of a spy versus spy game the U.S. plays with one of its most important allies. And Defense Secretary Gates told Democratic Senator Patrick Leahy, get used to it.
How long do we support governments that lie to us? When do we say enough is enough?
Based on 27 years in CIA and 4.5 years in this job, most governments lie to each other. That's the way business gets done.
Although CIA drone strikes against terrorist safe havens in Pakistan's border area continue without let-up, Pakistani intelligence at the same time actually protects some of the terrorist groups. The CIA gave Pakistan the location of 2 compounds where the explosives smuggled across the border to kill American soldiers in Afghanistan are manufactured. Someone in Pakistani intelligence apparently alerted the terrorists, who immediately emptied out the compounds. But for all the double dealing, the chairman of the Joint Chiefs says the U.S. cannot afford to turn its back on a country that has both terrorists and nuclear weapons on its soil.
If we walk away from it, it's my view it'll be a much more dangerous place a decade from now, and we'll be back.
Right now, the Pakistanis are pushing the U.S. away. They have kicked out most of the Americans who were training their military.
Thanks, David.